Why'd you run away? Ohayo gozaimasu.
Here?
Yeah. Good morning. Nandito kami ngayon sa mountain. We're gonna do our first spring hike.
Revenge hike.
Actually, this is a revenge hike. Kita nyo yan, mga sakura around. This is a revenge hike. Balik kami sa Joroiwa. Last year, November, we came here. Nag-hike kami dito. Tinry namin to. And first long hike ni Hali. Kaya hindi kinaya. So, malapit na kami noon. Hindi na kinaya. Naubusan kami. Ang ganda, oh. Yung sakura. Kaya we had to abort. This time we're going back kasi hindi namin susukuan. We can only move on to another mountain if we reach this Joroiwa. So, yeah. Today, March 28th. This is our birthday hike.
Your birthday hike?
Papay and Mama.
Oh, well, yeah.
Kirune, we can do this, ne? We can do this. Let's go.
I mean, the cherry blossom got me just excited.
So,
Oh, not here though.
it's really good spring hike. Look, dito lang namin to nakita sa bundok. Parang purple, ano siya. You know. Parang purple sakura, pero hindi siya sakura. Anyway, we're so proud of Hali. Ang bilis namin nakarating sa, ano na to, sa point na ito. Bumilis talaga siya. Walang halong biro. Bumilis siya. And if we keep on doing this, with this pace, feeling ko andun na kami by lunch. And then we're gonna rest there. Hopefully, hoping anak. So nice. First time namin mag-hike na na spring. Ang dami mo makikitang kulay. Ganda. I think we're gonna do it again, spring hike. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Blow the mountain! Go, blow the mountain!
No, ask Jesus to move.
Yeah.
Blow the mountain!
Thank you, Lord.
Big cake! Yun ang cake namin. Walay kandila.
Oh, no candle.
No candles. Hey!
It's so nice.
Yay! So nice there.
Thank you, Lord.
Nice present too. Mountain! Hindi na cake, mountain. Okay.
Exactly.
Exactly. Oh, may lakas pa eh. Genki pa, genki. Wow, so beautiful. Like my wife. Oh, that's so beautiful is that.
Dito lang yan, no?
Oh,
Kukulat ka?
We
yan.
didn't see that down there.
So,
Let's take...
yan ang natin paakyat.
Oh no.
Medyo matirik talaga. Yan na tayo doon. Hintayin natin sila. Pag-akyat ko doon, bigyan ko sila makyat. Yan. Yan mag-video sa kanila. Ganda talaga dito sa taas. Yan. Hip hip! Wow, hooray! Napay power ah. Hooray! Oh, di ba? Samantalang noon dito ang hirap na ni Hali umakyat eh. Pero ngayon, tingnan mo naman, late pa kaming umakyat. Kaysa comparing nung una, di ba maaga tayong nag-akyat?
Oo, maaga. Tama ka. Di manandi. Ito natin. Oo, 10:30.
Wow. Hi!
Okay, I didn't know that. うん、やっぱ学校の方がいいわ。
同じこと。
いや、一緒に同じこと。
Yay! Final na.
You wanna go up there and see?
Ito na yata yung pababa dun mamaya labs na yung grabing pababa dun banda. Okay.
ここ覚えてるわ。
見てる
なんか、ここ
This
座っ
is
て
your
た。
power na kunatta ne.
ここ座ってた。こうやって。
Inday!
ハロー。
Hi!
Start already. That's the way. Aha, aha. Diba? Natuto na siya. Diba? Ngayon talaga
Okay,
kay
here, one more step here.
Yeah,
tayong mga lahi
The thing
ng kwan,
is-
bundok.
my feet. There you go.
Yan. Yun. Yan. Yan yung mga pinanganak na murag Spider-Man. O, di ba? Walang sapot pero nakakaakyat sa mga ganyan. Yan. Good.
1, 2, 3, go!
Go. Okay. Just go straight there. Just wait me there at the top. Okay. Wow. Grabe naman yung dalawa. Wow. Okay, just continue.
I'm so proud.
Go. Proud. Papa proud too. Okay, continue.
Okay, so andito kami sa kung saan kami kumain. Nung nakaraan dyan, dito kami kumain dati. And na-reach na namin dito. Wala pang 3 hours. So we're very, very fast today. Kaya, nakakatuwa. Papunta na kami dun sa goal. Maabot na talaga namin yun kasi mahaba pa ang araw. So, let's go. Andun na sila. Oh. Habol tayo, habol. Hi-chan!
Oh, I got hiccups.
Bye-bye!
Yay! This is the final day.
Ito yung place na kung saan kami nag-stop nung last year, November. Dito siya umiyak.
Because I was
Kasi-
sick.
No power.
Yeah, she doesn't want to stop. She wants to reach the goal. But we're running out of time. Ayaw naming madiliman dito. Kasi syempre, di ba, bundok. So, safety first. But now, this is the revenge. This is
the
where
thing
it
is-
starts. But the thing is, there's no
No
water.
It's dry. It's drought. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
喉が渇いた。
No. Because the Moses one eh. They passed through there. Oh, come on, Moses.
Come on, Moses, hurry up.
Return the water.
Yeah, so ito yon. So actually, ito pa talaga yung challenge. This is where the challenge start. Because this
So-
is where we stopped before. So, ikimashyo ka.
Yo, we're going to eat
Ikimashyo.
that. Yay, we're going to cook that.
Let's go.
Our kwan, bulamen. The version.
Ikimashyo.
Filipino version of ramen. Somewhere, I think,
Depends.
saan pa yung trail yung dinaanan ng mga panay yun?
Pwede ding sa atin. Mabilis talaga sila.
Ay, mabilis man talaga mo yan.
Kaya nga.
Yung kasabay natin yung kwan ng kwan kanina, yung tatlong nawala, yun, yung mga fish.
So.
Mabilis po mga tatlong. Nakrap pa yung bag. Pag kulang yung weight niya. Okay. Dito na tayo sa ating continuation. Ito na yung revenge hike namin. So, Ito na yung hindi namin nakuha nakaraan kasi hanggang doon lang kami sa taas. Pero tingnan nyo naman yung view dito, oh. May sasakyan pa doon sa baba. First time. Next time we're going to drive there, ne? There's a way there.
There, I'm gonna...
Pre-dam po yan. Which is ngayon, yan na, naubos yung tubig. Ininom ko lahat. Ay, hindi pala. Kasi wala nang masyadong ulan dito sa Japan ngayon. Yan. So, problema yung mga dam ngayon. So, kulang sa supply yung mga farmers po. Kaya, yan.
Hura. So nice. Ito yung tinawag nilang horseback, anak, no? Sa horseback daw. Ganda. Oo, nakaano na kami, nakalakad kami sa horseback, kami lang may kaya nun. Char.
Horse riding na lang.
It starts to shake. And then this time, pura karap. Diyan na? Oo. Wait, pause lang, pause. Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Let's rock.
Because I went farther.
May video.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
More up.
Up. So,
You can hold this one. You can hold it.
okay, ayan. Okay, that's... Very good. Fine. Doubting, so really doubting. I don't like doubts. I'll say if we can. Okay, good. We made it!
すごいわ。
Sugoyo. Ano mo dyan?
Yan po yung... Ito na po kami sa Joroiwa. Andun. Tapos, ang next target namin na naman doon sa kabilang yung kwan yung nag-Eden yun. Punta kami doon. Ano ba yung kwan pangalan? Di ko alam. Makita namin pangalan. Lokal. Kain po tayo. Ito po yung tinatawag naming bulamen. Ito yung bulalo at saka ramen. Okay. Happy birthday, loves.
Thank you, love.
Improvise na chopstick.
Andiyan na kami. Luigi, this is another one. Naka-Joro. Napaka-windy naman dito.
There's no trees.
Yeah. Walang water sa baba, but it's still worth it. So windy up here. Bakit? Joroiwa ni wa. Sonna ni.
Actually, doon kami nanggaling kanina. Yun pala yung Joroiwa. Dito naman yung naka-Juro. Ang isang bato na naman dun sa kabila. Kaya lang. Wala na tayong time. Wala na. Hindi na pwede. Pauwi na tayo. So, uwi na lang tayo. Marami. Ito pala yung, actually, pag may tubig yan, makita mo talaga yung yaw. Bye bye, let's go home na. Na tayong oras. Ingat tayo. Gusto naman natin magpunta doon sa maraming butong yan, pero we don't have any time.
Oh man, I wish they had like omiyage to come.
Tayo pahapon. Ay ko po. Yeah, just get a stone. This is a stone from Juro Iwa, like that. Yes. So,
確かにそれもいいか
that's
も。
Adomiyagi dayo. Okay, yun na. Going down. I think I hear some voices there. I think
Because maybe the jelly.
this is the final destination, ma'am.
Wait, there's still stairs here though. I'm tired.
Yeah, you're tired? No tired anymore.
Yay!
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I want to sit down on that bench.
Okay, let's sit first.
Yay!
Okay.
Your plans is so funny.
What?
Mag-sit. Ah, we made it. We're down.
I think 45 minutes more here.
Yeah, but we're down. It's flat
All
surface.
flat.
Ah, we did it. It's kind of like happy because we're done, but it's sad because we're leaving. Ah, that was so nice. Thank you, Lord. What can you say?
Good. We went to two rocks.
Iwa.
How do you say that?
Just Iwa.
In English.
Just Iwa.
That's Japanese.
Ikaw, what do you say?
I say I'm very happy.
I can see that. So, ayun, pabalik na kami sa car. Rest lang konti yung paa. Because brutal ang pababa talaga.
I might eat all.
Going down is brutal.
Murder.
But we did it. Thank you for going with me. This is Mama's birthday hike.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you
Happy
for
birthday.
going with me.
Of course.
My birthday. Pagod na pagod ako talaga.
Yesterday, ne? Honto wa.
Bye! Spring hike.
Bye.